Hello everyone, welcome back to Awesome SaamOnion. I'm Sugesh here with a new video. Today we are going to see how to create avatar on Facebook. The recent buzz is that everyone is creating their Facebook avatar and sharing among their friends. Mark Zuckerberg has got you something to play around during this lockdown. If you are an iPhone user, you will be pretty familiar to memojis, so Facebook avatar is something similar to that. Let's see the methods to create your Facebook avatar. So method 1, go to a comment section of any post and click on the smileys and there will be an option create your avatar. Method 2 is from your profile, click on the 3 bars and then click on see more option. You can see avatar and you can create from there. Method 3 is from your friend's post. Click on try it, you can create from there as well. Come, let's play around on creating my avatar. It's pretty simple. You gotta choose your skin tone, hair, eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, your facial hairs, everything. It's pretty cool to play around for some time. I don't find my exact V-shaped long beard. So let's keep this. So play around with your Facebook avatar with your friends, have fun and enjoy. So that's all from me for today, how to create Facebook avatar. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel Awesome SaamOnion and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. I will see you in a different video. With that note, this is Sugesh, your Awesome SaamOnion signing off. Let's be awesome. Take care. Tada, bye bye.